Hey guys, it's Art from Art's Model Trains. This is an exciting day. It's finally here. The Commodore Vanderbilt has just landed on my doorstep. I'm really excited to open this locomotive. I've been after this one for a long time. I have toyed around with buying the TMCC Pullmore motor version of it, but I decided to hold out and wait for a legacy version, and I ended up with a Visionline version. So let's see how Lionel did. I'm going to do two parts of this video. I'm going to do a quick look video today, because that's pretty much all I got time for. And then over the weekend, after I get a little more time, I will do a more in-depth review of this locomotive. All right, let's rip this thing out of the box, get it on the track so you guys can check out and see for yourselves. Did Lionel nail this thing or not? We're about to find out. All right, guys, so we are on the track. I haven't put on track power yet or anything, but it was really interesting. I had to search for the switches and actually look in the manual. There's a little door right here that is magnetically attached that pops off. It's actually part of the sheathing, and all your switches are under there. So your run program, whistle smoke, regular smoke, and your Bluetooth 4-digit addressing. So we're going to throw this in program. All right, I got our programmed in. What's interesting is it does not have a cab number. So in reality, there was only one locomotive that actually became a Commodore Vanderbilt. There's no road number on it. So I put it in as engine 70 for now. I'll figure out a number later that fits in with all my other locomotives. But looks really good and sounds really good so far too. And no Mr. Lionel, so it passed the first test right there.
Hold for track orders. Dispatch out.
So again, I'll do a more in-depth review, but let's get this quick look going and get this thing running around the track with some passenger cars.
Tower. Are we clear through the junction? Over. Tower, this is engine 5344. Train's coming in. Am I clear? Over. Copy that. All lined up and cleared inbound. Dispatch out.
All right, guys, so that's it for the quick look video. I'm super impressed by this locomotive. Sounds great, looks awesome on the tracks. I've only been leaving it on my 054 loop right now. I will try it on the 048 loop later, but I am so excited to have this locomotive. Really cool looking. I love the detail Lionel did with the little rippling in the sides here. It came out better than I thought. I was really worried it would look too rippled, but I think they did a good job. They hit the color. And, you know, I think it's a great locomotive. So, again, I'll be back with a more in-depth review, hopefully over the weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.